I spent half of my life dwelling on the past and worrying about the future. And this mental back and forth had a big cost on my health and my well being. Revisiting the past and the loss of my right eye brought a lot of sadness, frustration, and anger. At the same time, my constant concerns and worries about the future created more stress and anxiety. Practicing mindfulness taught me how to step out of this endless cycle, and the freedom I gained from this practice was something I wanted to share. Now I get to teach others how to break free from this loop of overthinking, guiding them toward being more present in their own lives. Through mindfulness, I've seen people find the courage to step out of their minds and reconnect with a sense of peace they didn't realize they could have. This shift isn't just a skill, it's a new way of living where we're no longer held back by the past or paralyzed by the future, but instead fully engaged with each precious moment. Mindfulness is a fundamental pillar of personal growth and self empowerment. With mindfulness, you learn how to focus on here and now, which will bring calmness and more presence in your life. By cultivating mindfulness, you gain a deeper understanding of your values, strengths, and areas of growth, enabling you to set goals that are aligned with your true desires and aspirations. It can improve your empathy and communication. It decreases your stress and anxiety. Mindfulness has tremendous benefits on your mental and physical health. It can be practiced at home or at work for a few minutes, even when you are busy. Before diving into how you can incorporate mindfulness into your daily life, it's very important to understand how mindfulness connects you with your thoughts, emotions, and actions. Mindfulness starts with awareness of your thoughts. There are a lot of people that are busy thinking and overthinking without being aware of what they're thinking about. And I was one of them. Mindfulness allows you to be aware of your thoughts as they come up, whether they're about the past, the future, or any self judgment. The idea here is to just notice these thoughts without labeling them as good or bad. By observing these thoughts mindfully, you start spotting patterns. Are they constructive or holding you back? Do they feel uplifting or do they add more stress? Mindfulness helps you bring your thoughts back to the present, gently nudging you toward more helpful, empowering thinking. When we think negatively about ourselves, we start feeling down, which can even affect how we behave. When we think about ourselves as unworthy, we feel sad and frustrated, and this may lead to a lack of self confidence in ourselves, which may impact our actions or trigger certain reactions. With mindfulness, you can catch these emotions, understand what's causing them, and then choose how you want to respond. Just naming the emotion can reduce its intensity by 50% and gives you a bit of space before deciding how to respond. By becoming more aware of your thoughts and emotions, you become more intentional with your actions, moving away from autopilot behaviors and making choices that reflect your deeper values and goals. So the thought, emotions, actions cycle is a powerful tool for personal development. By recognizing that thoughts, emotions, and actions are interlinked, you can intentionally intervene at any point in the cycle to create a positive change. It simply gives you the possibility to choose. There are so many ways how you can practice mindfulness. A great place to start is taking a short, mindful break every 2 hours. Just a few minutes can make a big difference. Here's how to do it. Pause for a moment. Close your eyes if you can and take slow, deep breaths. Inhale deeply, feeling the breath enter your body, and exhale fully. Breathing mindfully like this helps break the autopilot mode and calm down your nervous system. Then observe. Observe what is happening internally and externally. Notice your thoughts and emotions, but don't engage with them. Simply observe. Is your mind racing with to-do lists, or are you feeling tense? Notice any physical sensations, like tension in your shoulders or hands. Pay attention to your surroundings. Use journaling to write down your thoughts and emotions. The simple act of writing this down can give you more clarity and calmness. The third step is try to release any tension and choose your response. If you feel tense, let it go with each exhale, softening your muscles. Instead of reacting impulsively to whatever's on your mind, choose a response with awareness. It's a shift from reacting on autopilot to acting with purpose, helping you feel more in control. Repeat regularly. Practicing these steps throughout the day strengthens your ability to stay grounded and present, even when things get busy. By integrating small, mindful moments into your day, you will be gradually training your mind to focus and handle stress with more ease. At the end of the day, try to revisit any challenging moment with a mindful perspective. Take time to consider how you might have responded differently. Ask yourself, what could I have done to stay more calm and centered? By consciously practicing these mindful breaks regularly, you'll build resilience and cultivate greater awareness, helping you stay grounded and connected to the present moment.